all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
In a major blow to thousands of individuals seeking H-1B visas in the United States, the Trump administration has announced fresh restrictions. The new order is to ensure only a limited number of people are given visas to work in the country. The Department of Homeland Security on Tuesday issued a new order with restrictions on the H-1B visa aspirants. The new restrictions were imposed to stop displacement of American employees and tighten the noose around those taking advantage. The US government has made it mandatory for them to furnish additional documentations to prove they need H-1B workers. Along with this, the US government has also given additional powers to the Department of Homeland Security to carry out on-site inspection and compliance of new norms. Also, the new rule could change the minimum wage rule for H-1B visa workers in the United States. It narrows the definition of specialty occupation as Congress intended by closing the overbroad definition that allowed companies to game the system. Require companies to make real offers to real employees by closing loopholes and preventing the displacement of the American worker. Enhance DHS's ability to enforce compliance through worksite inspections and monitor compliance before, during and after an H-1B petition is approved. We spoke to a visa expert and here's what he had to say about the new restrictions.
It is again, if you go from what he has announced about 45 days back, that is a major flip-flop against what he has announced last time, later which he backtracked, now he has announced something more stringent again. I would just call this as an election gimmick for the Trump to, his days in power are actually numbered. So I don't think this will play a major role as far as affecting is concerned, because one of the rule is going to be enforced after 60 days after it is accepted by the Congress. So that rules out the possibility of its effectiveness, because we don't know after 60 days whether Trump will survive the election and still be the president to enforce this rule. Currently, a study says there are about 1.3 to 1.4 lakh Indian H-1B workers in US, sorry. And they are one of the largest beneficiaries of the H-1B visas that are issued. This will definitely hit them, but I doubt its implementation overall. I doubt whether this will be implemented also.
The expert also spoke about the additional documentation needed to prove that the company needs H-1B.
The additional documentation and the proving by the company that these people require in terms as against the American workforce need to be given in documentation, which is in effect right from yesterday. That again, see, for a company to override, if tomorrow you ask me a question, what is my role in my XYZ company where I am working, and you want me to documentation to prove my worth here, it will take time. I cannot produce my worthiness documentation as against anybody else in a day's time or something.
Yeah.
So that again, both of these things, what he has done negates the overall theory, and first thing, I firmly believe it's an election stunt. Secondly, in case, going by the second scenario, this will be implemented, then yes, it is a dead, because they have also changed the minimum wage levels of H-1B worker.
The latest restrictions by the Trump administration is truly a big blow to H-1B visa aspirants, but it could be revoked if Trump loses the electoral battle.